In the 1960s, the world's most advanced aircraft was the Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird. It was untouchable, flying at Mach 3 and 80,000 feet. But even the Blackbird had a limit. It still had a pilot. And in the height of the Cold War, putting a pilot over enemy territory was a massive political risk. The CIA needed to see inside China's nuclear program. But after the U-2 shootdown in 1960, the US was desperate for a way to spy without risking a life. The answer wasn't a new plane, it was a parasite. This is the Lockheed D-21. To the untrained eye, it looks like a miniature SR-71. In reality, it was a Mach 3.3 ramjet-powered suicide drone. It didn't have landing gear. It didn't have a cockpit. It was designed to be launched from the back of a Blackbird at high speeds, fly over the target, and then, in a move straight out of a spy novel, eject its film canister over the ocean to be caught mid-air by a plane. But launching a drone at 3 times the speed of sound is a recipe for disaster. In 1966, during a test flight, a D-21 collided with its mothership, destroying both aircraft and killing a crew member. The Parasite program was instantly deemed too dangerous. The D-21 eventually flew 4 missions over China using B-52 bombers as launchers. All 4 failed. Today, these sleek black shapes sit in museums, a reminder of a time when the future of aviation was faster, higher, and increasingly pilotless.